Firstly, let us check what is an Amstrong number with simple mathematical examples. I am taking a simple number 123 and checking if it is an Amstrong number or not. I am calculating 1 power 3 plus 2 power 3 plus 3 power 3. Here 1, 2, 3 are the digits of the number 123 and 3 is the number of digits in the number 123. 1 plus 8 plus 27, which is equals to 36. So this is not equals to the original number, right? So 123 is not a Amstrong number. Now I am having a number 407. It is an Amstrong number actually. To just check how far we are correct, I am having it as an example. 4 power 3 plus 0 power 3 plus 7 power 3, which is equals to 64 plus 0 plus 343, which is equals to 407. So here the original number and the sum of powers to the number of digits is equal. So it is an Amstrong number. This is how we can check if a number is Amstrong number or not mathematically. Now let us see how it is done in Python. Firstly, I am naming a number to be num is equals to int. I want my user to enter his input. I am having my prompt to be enter the number. Then firstly I have to find the number of digits in the number, right? So I'll convert it into string. S underscore num is equals to, I'll use str function of num. Now I'll calculate the length of the string, that is I'll have my number of digits to be n, len of str. Okay. Now coming into the original program, let us initiate our sum to be 0 and then I have a temporary variable here because I don't want my original variable to be changed. So t is equals to num. Then I'll use a while loop to check if the number is greater than 0 or not. Until the number is greater than 0, it works. T greater than 0, I'll take my digits is equals to t modulus 10 and sum, I'll append my sum here. Sum plus is equals to power n. I'm having my power with n, as we have seen that for Amstrong number we have to check if the sum of digits to the power n, that is the number of digits, must be equal to the original number. So we are calculating the sum here, and finally we are iterating the temporary variable, which is t temp modulus equals to 10. Now I have to check if the sum is equals to the original variable or not. Let us see if sum is equals to num print num is an Amstrong number. Now else print, I'll just copy this over here and I'll add a not here. Num is not an Amstrong number. Now I'll run my program. Let us see if this works or not. Run. I enter the number. I'll have the number 407, which we had as an example. Object of type has no length. Here I have to take s underscore now. My mistake actually, I'm sorry. Amstrong, yeah. I'll take the same one, 407. Yeah, 407 is an Amstrong number. We have already seen that 407 is an Amstrong number within our example. Now, I'll have another example. I'll rerun my program, enter the number. This time I'll take some 4-digit number, 1634. 1634 is also an Amstrong number. It also works for 4-digit numbers. Or you can take any number of digits here, as we have already calculated the number of digits for the number. Now I'll rerun the program and check any other number to be Amstrong number or not. We already know that 123 is not an Amstrong number, so let us check for that. Yeah, 123 is not an Amstrong number. This way you can write the program to check if a number is Amstrong number or not. Firstly, initiate the value, the sum value, then assign the original variable to a temporary variable and check if the temporary variable is greater than 0 or not. And this phenomenon is all about firstly calculating the digits. For 407, t modulus 10 is 40, right? But we don't want 40 power 3, right? We want only 4 power 3. So we have flow divided it with 10 and calculated 4 power 3. So I am just having an example 403. This is the same phenomenon, works for, you can have this phenomenon for any other programs with their respective syntaxes. Okay, that's all for basic programs to learn from the beginner level, or for some Python tutorial videos, subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please like, and if you have any doubts regarding the program, or if you have any complaint regarding my explanation, reach me out at the comment section. Okay, thank you.